Hello guys, welcome to this new video. In this video I'm going to be showing you the Keychron K2 version 2, which is one of the best mechanical keyboards you can buy right now. Let's get to it. Now before we start unboxing this keyboard, let's take a look around the box. Now right here on the front, maybe the back, it says compact design. K2 has a compact 84 key design by retaining all the essential functional keys. Dual compatibility comes with additional sets of custom keycaps to work with Windows or Mac, so you can switch the keycaps. You see that later on. Wireless and wired, so for a clean look you go wireless, but if you want to game, I think you have to use it in wired mode. You can pair up to 3 devices, say for instance your Windows, your Mac, and maybe your iPad. Battery life, it comes with a 4000 mAh battery that lasts up to a month when the backlight is disabled. So I guess if it is enabled, you can use it for 2-3 weeks maybe. And if you're going to complain about charging your keyboard once in 2-3 weeks, then there's something wrong with you. So light effects, has over 15 light effects to switch from. On the other side, it has the keyboard in a matte finish look. I don't know if the camera can pick it up properly. And it says a tactile mechanical keyboard for peak productivity. On the side, it just says Keychron K2, a sleek, compact, wireless mechanical keyboard. Okay, so yeah, that's about it for the box. Now let's get in. Now that the plastic is gone, we can see the box better because we have less reflections and it looks really nice, that black color. I guess you guys can also see the matte keyboard better here. Now let's pop it open. Popping it open, we are greeted with this card here. It says if you are a Windows user, please find the appropriate keycaps in the box, then follow the instructions below to find and replace the following keycaps. So it comes by default with Mac Keycaps, as you can see there, the option, command, and then we have this other key here. So if you're a Windows user, you want to replace it with the Alt key, and Windows key. So we'll take this out. Always good to see some of this nice material in the box. Next up, we have the keyboard itself. Keychron, a sleek, compatible wireless mechanical keyboard. You guys really want us to know that, don't you? Let's lift that out of the box. Oh, heavy. So left in the box, we have a manual here, I guess. And it seems like we should have something here. Okay. So in here, we have the replacement keycaps for Windows, very nice. We have a nicely braided Type-C cable. Nice to see that. Looks very premium. And then here is the tool you use to take out the keys. We're going to look at that in a second. Now I'm looking at those keycaps. They feel really plasticky. They don't feel heavy. I'm kind of disappointed with that. And we have those Alt keys and Escape and, you know, other keys for Windows. So now to the reason why we are here. Really nice feeling plastic, or whatever this material is. Feels really nice, to be honest. And yeah, finally the keyboard is still covered in some type of plastic. Oh, that looks nice. So there it is, the beautiful Keychron K2 version 2. As you can see, it has those mark buttons there, and I'm going to replace them because I'm gonna be using them on Windows. So on the left side here, you can see that USB Type-C port for plugging it in. And here you have the switch for Mac/iOS and Windows/Android. Very cool. You have the switch here also for cable, off, or Bluetooth. I'll switch it to Bluetooth. Nothing on the right side here, and you can just see that lip, which makes it more ergonomic. Very nice, and it's one of the major differences from the version 1, so that's why you want to pick this one up instead. So let me show you guys the fit from the sides. Step 1 and step 2. So let me go ahead and turn the keyboard on. This is it. Oh yeah, that's nice. That came on looking really nice, and I think this is the button for changing the lights. Okay, we have the red there. Ooh, RGB. Very nice. Very nice. Looks so good. The buttons are actually different colors. I don't think the camera catches it when it's in focus. Does it? So this is the tool for replacing the keycaps. As you can see there, it says Keychron right there. Yes, we know it's your keycap removal thing. So now we're going to try to remove the Mac keycaps and replace them with the Windows ones. So the Windows key is going here, Alt key here, and I guess another Alt key here. So there we have our Windows long Alt key and short Alt key. So to take this out, I believe all you have to do is this. Pull it out. Same for here. Pull that out. So easy. Pull that out. Now we're going to slap on our keys. I believe this goes right in here. Alt key goes right in there, and the other Alt key in there. And just like that, we've gone from Mac to Windows. If you don't like the orange escape key, which I actually like, you can also swap it out for a gray escape key. As you can see, I opted for the brown switches, which is one of the best. I feel like some of the best. I did my research and I prefer the brown switches in terms of the sound and also the key travel. There are the red switches also, and I think the blues, but I rather have the brown ones because I feel like they are the best. Our fancy escape key goes back on. We are going to match this key with an orange one also. Yeah, this looks nicer. So of course it's a mechanical keyboard. You get some tactile feedback when you type, but I'm going to get my mic closer so you can listen to what they actually sound like. So that's my mic really close in. Oh, that's so satisfying. So the brown switches aren't very noisy, yet they are so satisfying to press. So I'm going to switch this to Mac or iOS, and I'm going to turn on the Bluetooth and try to connect my iPad. So that's my iPad Pro there, not completely in frame, but I'm going to attempt to pair it to my keyboard. And to pair it, what you're going to do is you hold the function key and the one key till it starts to flash. Okay, now it's ready to pair. I'll go into settings, Bluetooth, and then we can pair to the Keychron K2. So now it's paired and connected. We can increase the volume on our iPad, reduce the volume, very nice. We can also mute and unmute. So now we are in the Notes app, and obviously we can type. Just put on that caps lock there. Oh, that feels so good. So yeah, this is the aluminium frame one. I believe you can get it cheaper if you go with a different build. However, the aluminium frame one comes with the RGB lighting by default. You can also opt to get the one without the RGB lighting, but you won't have as much fun as I'm having right now. You can see all this. I think I paid around $93 or $94 for this one. I'm going to leave an Amazon link in the description if you want to pick this one up. If you buy from the link, I get some kickback. Support the channel. Thank you very much. So anyways guys, that's been the video. If you like this video, definitely smash that thumbs up button. If you loved it and want to see more videos like this, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.